Editing an assignment. So once you've created and deployed an assignment, what if you need to make some changes to it, some modifications? Well, we need to know how to edit an assignment. So in this case, we're gonna pop in and look at the assignment that we've previously created, and that's the example assignment. And so one of the most important things we need to remember is, where did we deploy our assignment? In this case, we deployed it inside of content, inside of our example learning module, and here it is. If we had deployed it somewhere else, maybe in an assignments content area or something like that, we just need to navigate to wherever the assignment lives. And this is different from wherever we may link an assignment. For more information about that, see the tutorial about linking an assignment. So we're going to go ahead and modify the example assignment. If you notice, whenever you move over an item inside of Blackboard Learn, it gives you additional options. When we're not hovering over it, it just looks like it's hanging out there. When we want to modify it, we just move over it, and we're going to see that we have additional options. And the action link item up here in the right hand corner is what we're going to want to be manipulating. If you attempt to hover over something and nothing is occurring, you want to check out your edit mode. If your edit mode is off, then you're going to see a very different view. Okay, so this is kind of a preview of what the student would see, and we're not able to edit the assignment. So if we're looking to edit an assignment, we need to make sure that edit mode is on. So with edit mode on, we're going to move over that assignment. Let's go ahead and return to our learning module here, and we click on the action link item, and that's going to give us a context-specific menu. What we want to do from here is we want to click on Edit. So again, action link item, Edit. Now we're back into the screen that is very similar to the one that we used when we created the assignment itself. So if we wanted to modify the instructions, we can go ahead and do that. We can make whatever changes we'd like. We can add or attach or modify or delete additional files. We can go ahead and increase or decrease the possible points. We can add a rubric. We can go through and modify the availability. So again, this is where those attempts and things like that are set. And we can also mess with the availability as far as, is this visible to students, change the due date, and change the recipients. When we've made all of our changes, we can go ahead and submit, and those changes will have taken effect. So that is how we edit an assignment.